so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too, but a little.
Hey friends, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. So this is my powder room bathroom. As you can see, this bathroom is very boring and outdated. I never liked using this bathroom because it was so uninviting to me. So I decided to make it over to make it a bathroom that I would love to come into and use. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to make this bathroom over on a budget, because for me, it's always about saving money. Throughout this video, I will be using a lot of things that I already have, and I did purchase a few things from Amazon and IKEA. Also created some DIY artwork. So if you want to see how everything turns out, keep watching the video to the end. Here I'm cleaning the light fixture because I'm going to paint it black. I already had the spray paint, so I didn't have to spend any money there.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now?
While the paint is drying on the light fixture, I moved on to painting the walls. Now, I don't paint all the walls because on the side where the light fixture and the mirror is, I'm going to hang wallpaper. The paint color that I'm using is Pearl White from Sherwin-Williams. I already had this paint, and I'm using the white paint because the bathroom is small, and the white paint with the lighting makes the room look brighter and larger.
Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow, yeah. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back?
After I was done painting the room, I let it dry overnight, and the next day I hung up this wallpaper. I got this wallpaper from Amazon, and it was like $5.99 a roll, and I used about 4 rolls of wallpaper to put on the wall.
I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do?
New here, welcome. My name is Trina. On this channel, you will see DIY, home decor, lifestyle, shopping. If you like that type of content, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Just want to give a special shout out to anyone who has subscribed, who has watched the videos. I appreciate y'all so much. And I'm going to give a special shout out to my cousin, Piyana. She is always commenting on the videos and watching the videos. If y'all don't know who she is, she's Perfume P on YouTube. I'm going to leave her information down below. She's so funny and she dressed so well, and she is great with perfume. She's not just my cousin, but she's everybody's cousin.
My ear, room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you.
Okay, so So you can see that I put up all the wallpaper. Now towards the bottom you can see that it's not perfect, but this is a DIY, so everything is not going to be perfect and no one's going to see that, so I'm okay with that. So right here I'm going to change out the lighting. I purchased some light bulbs from the Dollar Tree. These are LED lights and they added a lot of brightness to the room. I also changed out the light shades. I purchased these light shades from Lowe's. So in a second, you will see how much brighter these lights made the room. I purchased this LED picture light from Amazon. It was $9.99. I have some artwork that I did a DIY on that I'm going to hang on the wall.
Nobody keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive the distance? Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now. I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh,
this decorative trim that I purchased from Amazon, and I'm going to have my granddaughter help me with this.
and let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Tell me, what can I do now? Ain't it always funny how soon as I let my guard down, here comes that familiar sound. When you start to get tongue-tied, and in my heart I feel you lie. Though I knew the whole damn time, why do I act so surprised? 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family helped you do this. Since you don't think you should live differently, what's left for me when it all ends? You need some real ones on your side. The type to pull up, down to right. Keep it 100, tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real ones on your side. I can see through all the fake, but I give my all to those who take. It's disaster in the making, how easily we.
Are y'all ready to see what the bathroom looks like? Let me show you what it looked like before I made these changes.
New love, can we get high? New love, no drugs. I'm ready to fly, no drugs. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up above. When you come inside in us, I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never go back to